This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy.
If you're a Bitcoin Cash holder, you should be proud because trust me, your time is coming very, very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash probably for the last time, unless there's huge changes in the market, right? Or very, very big fundamental news. So this video is pretty much for Bitcoin Cash holders. Listen, I'm going to break down the technical analysis so you guys stop stressing out, okay? I've been pretty much looking at charts for roughly 6 years now, right? And let me tell you, at the end of the day, a lot of this is the same. So let me break it down very, very quickly for you guys. Just give me a few minutes of your time so you feel more comfortable holding this coin because I know some of you are stressing out. Anyways, we could see in pretty much 2022, 2023, we were going sideways, right? This thing is called accumulation, when something pretty much goes sideways. Then we had a breakout, correct? You see, we broke out, and then we're kind of going sideways up. So we're also kind of accumulating, right? Going sideways here. Let me just do that, but in a more kind of diagonal way, which doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It really doesn't matter. And look, there's more technical terms I could be saying, but at the end of the day, this is not that serious, right? I mean, it is serious, but like the wording ain't that serious. I'm being more amateur friendly, respectfully, right? So you can see we went sideways, accumulated, broke out, huge momentum shift. We can see in the candles. Then we were kind of going sideways, huge breakout again. Then we had a big pullback, and now we are kind of chilling. And if I break this down, right, we can see once we kind of broke out here and got pulled back, we kind of just retested off this area. And the thing is with technical analysis, this is a little bit tricky sometimes. Sometimes all it takes is just a little tap, and sometimes it goes a little bit deeper. That's why it is sometimes tricky, and you can't always be right with where exactly it's going to go. But overall, right, it did what it was meant to do. It tapped off here, right, a relevant resistance, right? Well, creating support, then shooting up again. And now if we look closely, pay attention to detail, right? We are actually at a very, very big support zone, right? Not only do we have this big previous support for a couple months, right? We have this top, and we can see for a couple months we were respecting this price, ladies and gentlemen. So what does that mean? If you are looking to get Bitcoin Cash, this might be, actually not might, this is going to be some of the lowest price you will see over the next few months, because everything about Bitcoin Cash suggests that we are going to be flying higher sooner than later, right? If we break it down into a smaller level, yeah, could you get it maybe for 320? Yeah, I could see a little pullback here going up, right? I'm not a market maker. But overall, if you don't care about a couple dollars this way or this way, this is a fantastic discount opportunity because where Bitcoin Cash is going to go actually might surprise you guys. Now, in the short term, pretty much something like this might happen, right? Let's say we do get a minor pullback. We're going to go something like this. Then we're going to go over here, right? Why did I say over here? Well, you can see there is some support and resistance. So more or less over there, right? After we do that, we are going to be going above here, right? And the reason why I say that is because, again, look, there is some more support and resistance, right? We pretty much have a double top liquidity. If you know what that is, good. If you don't worry about it, but it's a great sign for you, right? After that, the third short-term target, in my opinion, is right here, right? Into this institutional candle. Now, I personally think Bitcoin Cash could go much higher, but if things were to flop, worst, absolute worst case scenario, right? You should still get at the minimum around 4 times your money, 3.5 to 4 times your money. But overall, it's looking fantastic. Why? Because we are also in this like type of triangle, right? And although people don't believe it, trust me, for crypto, it works, right? It works. I'm not a trend line type person in general, but for crypto, it works. And once we break through this triangle area, ladies and gentlemen, we are going all the way, at least, I would say, to equal tops. at least in my opinion. Why? Because that is where institutions are going to be looking to be selling off potentially, right? Either we are going to go a little bit lower than the top, or we are going to sweep the top. After that, we have to see how well Bitcoin and everything got adopted, right? I can't tell you in terms of market cap, right? In terms of market cap, if we actually go up and go to Bitcoin Cash, right? We're already at 6.8 billion. So if we were to go around that 4,000 area, we would be heading to like 80 billion market cap. But if Bitcoin is going to go nuclear, then that's very realistic, ladies and gentlemen, which would align with where I think Bitcoin Cash is going to be. And trust me, if it does better or worse, I'll update you. If there's warning signs, I'll update you. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, technical analysis does not lie, okay? If you're a Bitcoin Cash holder, you should be proud because trust me, your time is coming very, very soon.